In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or someone just dabbling in creative projects, learning how to invert colors can add an interesting twist to your designs. Color inversion changes each color to its opposite on the color wheel, providing a striking contrast that can make your design elements pop. So let's dive in and walk through how you can achieve this using Canva. First things first, let's start by navigating to your Canva dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see an option to create a new design or access your recent designs. For this demonstration, we'll head over to one of your recent designs. Just take a moment here to click on any project you're currently working on or revisit any previous design where you feel a color inversion would make a difference. Once you're inside your desired design, it's time to decide which part of your design you wish to edit. This could be the background or any photo within your design. Simply click on the element you've chosen to work with. This action will activate the element's editing mode, allowing you to apply changes effortlessly. Now that the element is selected, you'll notice several options pop up within Canva's interface geared toward helping you adjust colors, among other things. If you've chosen a background, you'll click on the background color option. Alternatively, if you're working with a subject within your design, simply click on Edit pertaining to that specific element. This step is crucial because it enables you to access the tools necessary for your adjustments. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't offer a direct color invert tool as you might find in some other graphic design software. However, there are some creative workarounds you can try. One option is to manually select colors from the color wheel that are opposites to the current ones in your design. Though a bit more manual, this method allows for customized control over the colors you select to invert. Another way is through Canva's filter options. While not an exact color invert option, they can alter the color scheme significantly to achieve a desired effect. As you make these adjustments, take a moment to play with the saturation and contrasts offered within Canva's toolset. Not only do these features complement the color inversion, but they enhance the overall appearance and final impact of your design. And there you have it. With a few simple clicks and some creative adjustments, you've successfully learned how to invert colors in Canva. It's a nifty trick that can add a unique flair to your designs, making them more engaging and visually arresting. Try it out on different projects and experiment to see how inverted colors can transform your creative work. Thanks for watching and happy designing.